Like many other public schools in the Philippines, Tagaytay City Science National High School, Integrated Senior High School, encountered birth pains and joy in dealing with the demand of the art curriculum.
Same issues on carrying out the program, which was more shaken up by the introduction of several approaches on the new normal, and it posed other challenges just like how to provide and deliver quality education amidst exceptional times like the COVID-19 pandemic. Nevertheless, the school is decisive and dedicated in continually improving itself and implementing the program to consequently produce graduates who have acquired artistic competence, professional excellence, and compassionate children of arts even in times of pandemic. Garcia, 2021. In fact, the art discipline teachers showed initiative to write Learner's activity sheet to address the issues on lack of learning resources and insufficiency textbooks.
This study will underscore the experiences of the teachers in addressing the problems facing the lack of learning materials in the special program in the arts under the new normal in Tagaytay City Science National High School Integrated Senior High School by answering the following questions.
How can the special program in the arts be described without textbooks or provided learning modules? Before pandemic? In the new normal? What are the struggles encountered by the teachers along the production of the Learner's activity sheet for a special program in the arts? How can the teachers sustain the standards in developing the Learner's activity sheet for special program in the arts? How do teachers view the future of special program in the arts with their self-made Learner's activity sheet? What local efforts can be adapted in developing the learning materials? The studies in this research indicated the challenges in the implementation of the special program in the arts and traditional learning, the role of textbooks, challenges in its absence, and advantage of self-made learning modules. The researchers utilized a qualitative descriptive single case study as a research design. Purposeful sampling was used in this research for the identification and selection of information-rich cases related to the phenomenon of interest. The researchers prepared a semi-structured questionnaire that will serve as a guide during the interview. This research study followed the Creswell's 2096 steps during the data analysis process. There were 9 themes emerged in this study that answered the research questions. Teaching art disciplines without provided references is a challenge for the teachers. It requires them to search from different sources to provide information to the learners. They also recognize the vital role of textbooks in teaching and learning, specifically in planning, preparing, organizing, and designing the lessons and activities in such a way that they preferred teaching with the textbooks and modules. In the process of crafting SPALA's Learner's activity sheet, the teachers encountered stumbling blocks in the area of inaccessibility of credible sources and aligned materials, unavailability of sources on the culture of the locale, which is the core value in teaching culture and arts. There is no specific guidelines in writing the loss and difficulty in finding and evaluating the sources, which consumed most of their time. The teachers also made multiple adjustments by utilizing available resources and encompassing positive attitudes towards the goal of the department. They crafted the SPA learning activity sheets, which are aligned to the most essential learning competencies. The teachers viewed this experience as an opportunity to sharpen research and evaluation skills and to exercise teachers' autonomy, the freedom to choose what to include in their materials. The teachers made multiple adjustments by utilizing available resources and encompassing positive attitudes towards the goal of the department. They maximized the limited credible online sources and consulted their knowledgeable colleagues to validate the gathered information. They also used their creativity and resourcefulness in mind mapping and brainstorming. They crafted the SPA learning activity sheets, which are aligned to the most essential learning competencies (MELCs).